Welcome to another tutorial video, you guys. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn this portrait into landscape for the whole video. This is on PC CapCut. So I've done it for the rest of my video, so I'm just going to show you for this one part here, just to make the video pretty quick and easy for you to see. So you go here on your timeline into this section of the video, just click so you can see it's in the portrait mode, and from there you come over here, make sure you click it onto 16.9. okay, press the picture and then grab this little bit here and twist it. From there you just grab the corners and you pull it out to fill the screen, and now your video is flipped. So it took me about an hour on YouTube and Google to try and find the answer to this, which I never found the answer to. So remember to share this content, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.